To create a connector with ADP, open the provided magic link. You'll be directed to a linking page. Make sure that you have admin access to both ADP API Central and ADP Workforce Now. Click on Allow and Continue to proceed. You'll then be asked for a client ID and secret. To obtain these, navigate to API Central, sign in, and click on Create a Project. Provide an appropriate name and description for your project. You'll be asked to select a use case. Scroll down and select appropriate use case as per your requirement. In this case, we will choose Paid Time Off, then click on Create Project. The creation of your new project may take some time. Once your new project has been created, click on View Project. Copy the client ID and paste it in the provided prompt. Next, click on Show Secret to access your client secret. Copy the secret and paste it in the provided prompt. Click on Next to proceed. You'll then be asked for the ADP certificate details. To obtain these, return to API Central, navigate to Certificates, and click on Request Certificate. Click on Next and enter the appropriate details. Click on Next to proceed. You'll be provided with a private key. Copy this key and save it in your local machine for future reference. Paste this key in the prompt on the linking page, then click on Next. Once your certificate will start being generated, click on Done. Your new certificate will be generated shortly. Click on View to see your certificate. Copy the certificate and consider downloading and storing it on your local machine for future reference. Paste the certificate in the provided prompt, then click on Connect. As you can see, the connection has been successfully established. Next, you'll need to add some permissions for this project. Go to ADP Workforce Now and log in. Navigate to the Setup section and click on Access Permissions. Go to Manage Profiles and find the profile we created to get the client ID and credentials. In this case, it was Testing ADP. Go to the Sensitive Personal Information section and assign the appropriate permissions. If you need details like date of birth, bank account, SSN, etc., you'll need to unmask the details so they can be synced properly. Bank account. Date of birth should be partial masking with reveal and edit. For text ID 2, you'll need partial masking with reveal and edit. For personal info 2, in deduction masking and accumulators masking, you'll need no masking. For rate masking, you'll need no masking with edit. Once you've made these changes, save your settings. Your data should start syncing shortly. Thank you.